This How to 1 Minute will show you how to flush WordPress caching plugins. A caching plugin is one of the website optimization methods that speed up the loading of your WordPress site. What it basically does is it makes a static copy of your dynamic site to reduce server rendering times. You need to regularly clear the cache of such plugins as it may display the old version of the website to you and your visitors. Now follow me to do it. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and we will install a plugin. So hover over on plugins and click on add new. Click on the search plugins box and type here hypercache and install this plugin. Activate it. Then hover over on settings and click on hypercache and click on clean the whole cache. And as you can see, all caching files and folders have been deleted. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.